Hola a todos, bienvenidos, ¿cómo estáis? Estoy muy bien. Hi, welcome to everyone. How are you? I'm very fine. Dear viewers, I'm Muhammad Abdulrazak. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to introduce yourself in Spanish language. So, dear viewers, this is gonna be very interesting lesson for you because you are gonna learning how to introduce yourself in Spanish language. So, dear viewers, let's get started. Dear viewers, already I have written some sentences on my whiteboard. Whenever you meet with someone, you can say hola. Hola means hi or hello. Whenever you meet with someone for the first time, you can say hola. Hola means hi or hello. Hola. Hola means hi or hello. Then you can say soy Muhammad Abdul Razak. You can say soy, then your name. Soy means I am. Soy means I am. Then put your name. Then you have to put your name. Soy Muhammad Abdul Razak. Soy Abdul Salam. Soy Paulo. That means soy. Then you have to put your name. Then you can say me llamo Abdurazak, or me llamo, then your name. Me llamo literally means I am called. Me llamo literally means I am called. Means me llamo, then put your name. Me llamo Paulo, me llamo Messi. That means me llamo literally means I am called, then your name. I'm called or my name is, then your name. Whenever you meet with someone in the morning, you can say buenos dias. Buenos dias. Buenos dias means good morning. Generally, whenever we meet with someone, we can say good morning, but in Spanish, you have to say buenos dias. Buenos dias means good morning. And if you meet with someone in the afternoon, then you can say buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, not buenos, because este palabra es femenino, entonces tienes que usar buenas, no buenos, buenas. Buenas tarde means good afternoon. Good afternoon. Then if you meet with someone in the evening or at night, then you can say buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches mean good evening or good night. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Then you can say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. Whenever we meet with someone, we can say nice to meet you in English, but in Spanish, we have to say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. After handshaking, you can say mucho gusto. That means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. If anyone asks you, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás or ¿Qué tal? That means, how are you? ¿Cómo estás means how are you, and ¿Qué tal also express the same meaning, how are you. ¿Qué tal literally means what's up. Whenever we meet with someone, we ask in English what's up or how are you. In Spanish, we can say ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Or ¿Qué tal? What's up? That means both sentences are express the same meaning, how are you. How are you? En respuestas puedes decir estoy muy bien. In response, you can say I am very fine. Estoy means I am. Estoy means I am. Muy means very. Bien express the meaning fine. That means I am very fine. At last you can say adios. Adios means bye, goodbye. Whenever we meet with someone after talking something, then we can say adios. That means goodbye, or see you later. That means hasta luego or hasta pronto, see you soon or see you later. So dear viewers, if you think that you are benefited by watching this video, you may subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos with your friends so that they can get opportunity to know how to introduce yourself in Spanish language. So dear viewers, if you want to know anything, please make a comments below, and if I do a mistake, please recall me by making a comments below. So dear viewers, no more today. With best regards to you and to your parents. I'll be back soon with another episode. So stay well and keep learning. Hasta pronto. Adios.